The London Mithraeum is a 3rd century Roman temple dedicated to the ancient god of Mithras. The temple can be found on Walbrook, and I'll put some more details in the description below. The temple was discovered in 1954 during building work after the Second World War. People queued for hours to see it, and it became known as the Pompeii of the North. Among the many precious artefacts was the head of Mithras himself. It moved to a new location nearby, where it stayed for over 50 years until it came back to its original location as part of the Bloomberg headquarters. On the ground floor, you'll find an amazing selection of small precious items such as rings, buckles and coins. As you head downstairs to the temple below, there's more information about Mithras. He is said to have killed a bull in a cave, and a subterranean temple represents his story. Worshippers would meet in the temples and perform initiation rituals.
Nama Parachibus tutela Mercurii,
Nama Patri tutela Saturni,
Nama Nemphis tutela Veneris,
Nama Patri tutela Saturni, Nama Patri tutela Saturni.